In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add video to Godaddy website builder. To begin, log into your Godaddy account and go to the My Products page. This is where you can access the tools and services connected to your account. Once you are there, scroll down until you find the Websites plus Marketing section. Next to the website you want to update, click Manage. This will take you into the website dashboard for that site. From there, click Edit Website to open the visual editor. This is the area where you can make changes to your pages and see them as you work. It is the main workspace for building and customizing your site. Now go to the page where you want the video to appear. Take a moment to make sure you are on the correct section of the site, since placing the video in the right spot will help with the overall layout and visitor experience. Once you are ready, click Add Section, which is the plus icon on the page. This allows you to insert new content blocks into your website. In the section menu, look for the video category and click Add. Godaddy will place a video section onto your page. After that, click directly on the video section or the video placeholder layout, so you can start editing it. You will now have the option to add your video source. If your video is already hosted online, paste your YouTube or Vimeo link into the video URL box. This is usually the fastest method, and it works well if your video is already published on one of those platforms. If you prefer to use a video file saved on your computer, click Change Video instead and upload the file from your device. Make sure you choose the correct video so the content matches the page where it will appear. After the video has been added, it is a good idea to quickly review how it looks inside the section. Check that the placement feels right and that the correct video is showing. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Publish. This makes your changes live so visitors can see the video on your website. That covers everything you need to know.